Do you know you can be in Ghana here at your own convenient time, and then you answer surveys and you can earn money with that? If no, then we have this legit surveying service that you can earn money, um like $2, $1, $5, and then the rest. So without wasting much of your time, let's get down to business and then we do it for you to know. So click on claim your $1 now. Yes, please. My name is Richie, and as usual, I'm internet marketer. Aside, I'm a beat maker. So um if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, and then share this video. And then last but not the least, turn on the notification bell so that whenever I drop a new video, YouTube is going to notify you that, hey, your guy has dropped a new video. Yes, so it is because we are new to this, we are going to create an account, just a few clicks as um so it is enter in your email, your password. You choose a strong password. Yes, at least must contain um 8 characters, 9 letter in it, number in it, and then a symbol. Yes, so let's do it this way. So yes, and then you will enter your password. Make sure you choose password that you are going to remember. Yes, and after that you enter that you are not a robot. Yes, just tell them that you are not a robot. You click on it and then you fill in the captcha. After you fill in the captcha, you click on sign up. Or you can do it right away by using Facebook. Okay, let's verify the captcha before. So please, image containing. Okay, so they mean this animal. God, yes, if you don't take care, they you won't notify because they all look alike. Yes, so you can register with Google or this thing Apple account, Apple ID, and then you go straightforward by clicking on Google icon, or you can register through your mobile Facebook account. Yes, so after that you click on sign up and it's going to take you straight to your account. Please, I will leave the link in the description below so that it will take you here straightforward. And with that, you're going to earn $1 by clicking on that link. $1 for free. Yes, and you can see yes, I'm going to save my password. Yes, so if I click on that link, you're going to earn $1. I'm clicking on that link, and let's check our Gmail whether there is a verification code email sent to us or not, because I love to do verifications very well because can't do anything. Okay, there is no verification. Okay, let me refresh it a little bit and know whether there is a verification code being sent to us to verify our account or not. Yes, I'm an internet marketer, so you can see digit store 24 and then the rest. Yes, that's what I do to survive. So if you want content like that, you can comment down below that I should show you how to do affiliate marketing here in Ghana, and everything is going to survive, be well for you. Yes. So without with few months, we want to hit the target of 1K subscribers and the 4,000 watch hours. So please, if you're watching this video, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. If you've subscribed to it already, thank you very much. But if you're new, you just subscribe, like, share, and let's reach 1,000 subscribers. And from there, I'll be able to show you, or it can boost me to show you all the methods and tricks. Yes.